STL import to SolidWorks workflow illustration. Click File, Open. Select the STL file, select Option. Click Solid Body. Click OK. Click Open. It will open as a mesh. Surface import. Not a solid. Let's investigate. This is a surface body, and right click, select Import Diagnostics. There are two gaps, one at the bottom and the second one on the top at the surface. Click Attempt to Heal. There's still a surface on top, the gap, 40 face. Go to the face, right click, select Repair Face. Green means go, no 40 faces. Click OK. Now we have a solid bodies. We are going to create another body inside the part file. Create a sketch plane. Sketch a rectangle for the insert block. Do an extrusion, direction 1 and direction 2. Insert, Features, select Combine. For main body, select the More Insert. For the body, select the parts. Subtract, OK.